The future is now. Diving into digital marketing. The world is changing fast. Businesses need to adapt. Enter digital marketing. It's how we connect with customers online, everywhere. Websites, social media, emails, it's all digital. Why is digital marketing important? It reaches people where they are. People are online. They're scrolling, searching, and shopping. Digital marketing puts your message in front of them. Gone are the days of billboards and print ads alone. Digital marketing is measurable. You can track results and see what works. This means you can refine your approach and get better results over time. More customers, more engagement, more impact. It's not just about selling. It's about building relationships, connecting with your audience, building trust and loyalty. Digital marketing helps you do that. It's time to get on board. The future is now.
Digital marketing is an umbrella term. It covers a variety of strategies. SEO, or search engine optimization, is about getting your website found on Google. You want to be at the top of the results.
Social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Create engaging content, build a community, and run ads.
PPC, or pay-per-click, gets your website in front of people searching for specific keywords. You pay only when someone clicks on your ad.
Email marketing is a powerful way to stay in touch with your audience. Build an email list and nurture those relationships.
Content marketing. Content is king. Create and share valuable, relevant content to attract your audience.
The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. It's a field with massive growth potential. The rise of e-commerce. More people are shopping online. Businesses need a strong digital presence. People are constantly on their smartphones. Strategies must be mobile optimized. Digital marketing provides a wealth of data. Track everything and make informed decisions. Data-driven approach is essential. High demand for skilled professionals. Companies are seeking skilled digital marketers. There's a talent gap, plenty of job opportunities. The industry is booming. Start a rewarding and lucrative career now. Section 4. Your secret weapons. Essential tools for digital marketers. Digital marketers have a toolkit full of powerful software to streamline efforts and maximize results. Google Analytics provides a wealth of data about your website traffic. MailChimp makes it easy to create and send engaging emails. Canva offers a user-friendly interface for stunning visuals. Hootsuite allows you to schedule posts and analyze social media performance.
Section 5. From strategist to specialist. Exploring digital marketing careers. Digital marketing offers diverse career paths. Here are a few popular options.
This role involves overseeing all aspects of a company's digital marketing strategy. They develop and implement campaigns, manage budgets, and analyze results.
These professionals focus on improving a website's ranking in search engine results pages, or SERPs. They conduct keyword research, optimize website content, and build backlinks.
These individuals manage a company's social media presence. They create and share engaging content, interact with followers, and run social media advertising campaigns.
These professionals create valuable and relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. They may write blog posts, create videos, or develop other forms of content.
These experts manage pay-per-click advertising campaigns. They conduct keyword research, create compelling ad copy, and optimize campaigns for maximum ROI.
Section 6. Ready, Set, Launch. Your action plan for digital marketing domination. Ready to embark on your digital marketing journey? Here's an action plan to get you started. 1. There are countless online resources available. Take free courses, read blogs, and listen to podcasts to gain a solid understanding of digital marketing fundamentals. 1. Digital marketing is a broad field. Consider specializing in an area that interests you, such as SEO, social media marketing, or content marketing. 1. Practice makes perfect. Create your own website, start a blog, or volunteer to manage social media for a local business to gain practical experience. 1. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other digital marketing professionals. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. 1. The digital marketing landscape is constantly changing. Make it a habit to stay informed about the latest trends, tools, and best practices.